this make, I'm going to make some autumn themed pictures, wall hangings, wall decor, whatever you would like to call it. I picked up these in B&Q and they were 50p each, reduced in their reduction sale. So just take the labels off, and what I'm going to do is I will use my masking tape, tape it around the edges on both of them, and I will paint these both with this antique white Rust-Oleum furniture paint, so it's like a chalk paint. I paint the middle, take off the masking tape, and then using these little printouts I've done, I've created these, made them slightly smaller than the frame themselves so they can fit straight inside. On the back of these, I will shade with a pencil, and then I will trace the patterns through, and then I will paint this one in black on there, so we'll have black on the antique white. And this one, so where that orange line is, that's going to be an orange shape on the picture, and then I'm going to use a black liner to go over to make the shape of a pumpkin on the top. So they're going to be my two autumn themed wall decors, wall hangings. So let's get going. Please do like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're not already, subscribe to my channel to be one of the first to know when I upload a new crafty inspiration video. The print underneath wasn't quite covered by the first coat, so I needed to put a second coat on top. At this point I decided I wanted a little bit extra on my wall hanging, so I've got these little wooden leaves that I had left over from a previous craft. I decided to paint them all these autumnal colours just to match in with the theme. And then using super glue, I just stuck these onto the picture. Now the pictures are dry, we just need to remove the masking tape from around the frame, making sure to get every single little bit if it tears when you pull it off. And there we have my 2 autumnal pumpkin themed wall hangings. Just perfect for getting us into the spirit for this time of year. Thank you for watching. Please do like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel, ready for the next crafty inspiration video.